So chat, take the first bite. Mm. mm. Can you taste the fish now? Fish now and come up. The fish and the season. Mm. Loving it. Trust me, the coconut milk and that fish, I go on with itself. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to today's vlog. Guess what? We're gonna fix Sunday dinner. I'm gonna do pumpkin rice with brown stew fish. So come along with Marsha, okay? So guys, my pot is on the stove light. This is my coconut milk I already blend. So I'm gonna use this to cook the pumpkin, okay? I'm gonna add my salt, not too much salt, but that should be enough. Here's my pumpkin, guys. I kind of prep before, yeah, because I don't want this vlog to be too lengthy. So, guys, my kitchen small, so I have to prepare ahead, alright? So the pumpkin gonna cook. This has no rubber, guys, so it's not gonna pressure, alright? Yeah, and I have the oil getting hot for the fish. This is a fish I already seasoned up from last night. So once the pot is hot or the oil is hot, we're gonna start frying. Guys, this is my flour. I add a little bit of all-purpose in the flour to get it, you know, a little bit seasoning. Even though the fish marinate with the season kind of some last night, I like to have a little bit of all-purpose in my flour when I'm frying my fish. So guys, the pumpkin is cooking, it's cooking. So I'm gonna add my pepper and I'm a scallion, yeah, more not a scallion, so I'm gonna use onion, cider, thyme and garlic. So meanwhile it cook, she get herself seasoned up. Alright, so when the pumpkin cook, I just add my rice in, yeah. So chat, I believe this is butterfish. Don't quote me here. This is butterfish in my eyes. So we're gonna have them to the oil now. Yeah. Ah, guys, it's my pepper, the onion and my garlic. Yeah, I like when them burn in the oil, right? So yeah. So while the fish cooking, it I get additional season. Yeah, perfect. Maybe one more teaspoon. Yeah, love it. Over there, so miss. Next place, your sister. Yeah, love it. I'm gonna cover my pot. So, chat, we're gonna try with pumpkin now. Yeah, so if it cook, it feels soft. Yeah, and for me, guys, even if the pumpkin is not that all soft, I can I can put in the rice. Yeah, because everything cooking whilst the rice cooking as well. So the pumpkin soft enough, so never add the rice in. Yeah. So chat, this is the rice already washed and clean. So we're gonna put it in the coconut cream. The prep already. I prep long time for the rice or there. It seems as if it were cooking on the countertop. But wash my rice good look a while. I'm drain my water. So as you can see guys, no water now drip. So a long time I wash it. Alright. You can see, you can stir here now. Yeah. Alright. So we pumpkin, pumpkin rice, pumpkin rice coming down. Yeah, guys, the pumpkin is really rich. Yeah, the rice is really yellow. Really rich. It's true. So guys, this is the rice melody storage. So yeah, I'm gonna cover it back now. Then we go over to the fish. Golden brown. Come over girl. Flip over and get your color on the other side. On the other side. That boat. The fish are flying and come down. Fish them. Right. I don't want them too dry. I think I have one more set. One more set. I'm gonna put them in now. Alright, got you. So guys, this is the last two pieces of fish fried. I'm now gonna make my gravy. Now this pot, stove already light. Yeah, I'm gonna, this is the coconut milk. I'm gonna cook it down in. I don't want too much. Yeah. So by the time this is ready, the two pieces of fishes then will finish fry. So guys, this is the gravy I'm making. I'm gonna add the season now. So guys, this is the gravy I'm making. I'm gonna add the season now. I had a little uh, gar- garlic? No, it's not garlic. All-purpose, especially in chat. Yeah, I had a little this all-purpose, and this is why the color change. So I'm gonna add. This is my season. Onion, red onion, white onion, bell pepper, and pepper and garlic, and tomato. Yeah. So when this finish cook down a little, I'm gonna add a few pieces of the fish into it. So chat, take the first bite. Mm. Mm. Can you taste the fish now? Fish now and come up. The fish and the season. Mm. Loving it. Just me the coconut milk and that fish. I go on with itself. Mm-hmm. So guys, I'm gonna end today's vlog right here. And I want to tell you thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. As always, remember to share of the content, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's grow with Marsha, the cooking TV, TV, TV. Bye for now. Love you loads.